तो दिस इज द सीन, ऐसा कुछ था मोटा मोटी मुझे याद है जो।
हम्म,
फिर अब मुझे रोना नहीं, कुछ 4 साढ़े 4 साल की थी, मुझे पता नहीं रोना
हम्म,
क्या नहीं, मुझे डांटा, तो वो डांटने के बाद मेरा रोना आ गया एंड दे रिकॉर्डेड।
okay.
तो रोने के
Because
बाद
I interviewed Shruti Hassan, who I think also sang. Yeah, so
आई
it's
थिंक
nice that I.
शी वाज आल्सो देयर ऑन सेट, शी एंड अक्षरा।
Okay, so did you interact with them then at that time?
बैक देन तो नहीं, मुझे याद भी नहीं है कि अगर
Hmm.
मेरा
Hmm.
इंटरेक्शन हुआ होगा। मैं अक्षरा से मिली थी कुछ 4 5 साल पहले, रैंडमली कोई प्ले कर रहे थे,
Okay.
तो
Okay.
वहाँ पे मुझे बिल्कुल आइडिया नहीं था और उसे भी आइडिया नहीं था मैं कौन थी। बातों बातों में पता चला कि मैंने वो फिल्म की थी और उसने बोला कि ओ गॉड आई एम हिज डॉटर, आई वाज सपोज्ड टू डू द फिल्म अपेरेंटली।
Okay. Oh, she was supposed to do. Okay, and the fact that you got the role also because your home was very close to the
हाँ
studios. Tell me about that. And your mother used to take you to watch
हाँ,
film shoots.
बेसिकली हमारे घर के बाजू में एक फिल्म स्टूडियो है कमालिस्तान, जहाँ पे बहुत सारी
Okay.
फिल्मों की शूटिंग होती है।
Hmm.
सो माय
Right.
मदर टेक मी,
Yeah.
शूटिंग देखने जा रहे हैं, होते हैं ना जब ये शूटिंग होती है तो आजू
Yeah.
बाजू में क्राउड होता है, तो
Yeah.
हम लोग जाते थे एंड मतलब किसी क्रू वाले से बात हो गई होगी, तो बेसिकली उन्होंने बोला कि ऑडिशन है किसी फिल्म का, फलाना ढिमका,
Hmm.
तो ऐसे बहुत
Yeah.
सारे ऑडिशंस दिए थे, उसमें से एक ये फिल्म का था और मिल गया।
Okay. Ah, okay. So what you never felt anything different in front of the camera? Naturally, it just flowed like that. I see.
आई थिंक जब आप छोटे होते हैं ना थोड़ा आसान होता है, थोड़ा नहीं काफी
हाँ,
आसान।
because inhibitions नहीं होते ना ज़्यादा. You
नहीं,
just go and
आपको पता नहीं क्या है क्या करना है, आप बस आपको बोलते हैं कि अभी ये करना है तो आप वो करते हो, मतलब आप इन द
hmm.
मोमेंट, यू डोंट हैव टू यू नो
Yeah.
ट्राई टू बी इन द मोमेंट।
Yeah. Okay, and your Instagram has been lovely black and white photographs of the last few
या
posts have been very beautiful, and that's your passion as well. So, what is it with black and white? Yeah, like, do you have a certain love towards that tone?
आई डोंट नो, रिसेंटली आई हैव बीन एंजॉयिंग ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट पिक्चर्स। आई थिंक वो उसमें बहुत एक आपको एरा में लेके जाता है कि जब कलर्स
Hmm.
नहीं होते थे बट यू स्टिल कैप्चर द मूड विदाउट कलर्स, सो इट्स
Yeah.
वेरी, आई डोंट नो, इट्स ब्यूटीफुल। व्हेन आई सी ब्लैक एंड
And what
व्हाइट
is,
इमेजेस, ऐसे लगता है कि उसके पीछे स्टोरी होगी, ऑफ कोर्स अगर फ्रेम अच्छा होगा तो, but, yeah.
कौन सी ऐसी कोई फिल्म याद है जो अच्छी लगी है ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट जो which you like going back to and watching?
नहीं कि मैंने लास्ट मैंने जो देखी वो मदर इंडिया थी, जो मतलब सबसे पुरानी, मतलब
हाँ, पर
उसमें
वो
वो कलर में देखी मैंने।
हाँ.
पड़ोसन भी, आई थिंक 1950s में कलर आया था सिनेमा में, उससे पहले
हम्म.
मतलब नहीं था, तो मैंने उतनी पुरानी फिल्में देखी नहीं है।
अच्छा. Are these birds around your house? Do you have it as pets or they बाहर से आवाज आ रही
नहीं नहीं, बाहर से
है?
आवाज आ रही है, वो
Oh, because
सारे
of the rain.
पक्षी बाहर आ गए ना जब से
Because
लॉकडाउन,
of the rain.
इंसान अंदर चले गए, जानवर बाहर आ
Okay. Now tell me, all the roles that you've done till now have had a lot of physical effort in it. Of course, Dangal, who can forget so many things that you did in Dangal. And then, of course, Thugs of Hindustan, which is also an archer's role.
गए।
So the next role is less of that. The next film that we'll watch of you.
Yes, all the things that I'm doing after that are non-physical, which is a great thing. बॉडी बहुत दर्द में रहती है तो थोड़ा बेटर है, बट आई थिंक मतलब एवरी रोल हैज इट्स ओन चैलेंजेस, सो इट्स
Yeah.
किसी में डायलेक्ट करना पड़ता है जो आपने कभी सीखा नहीं है, वो सीखना पड़ता है, so I think that is what is most exciting about doing any role. So I'm,
Yeah.
although I've done very physical roles, two physical
Yeah.
roles, and
Yeah.
at that moment it feels, oh god, it's so difficult, but when I look back
Mm.
and
Mm.
I'm grateful that I got to learn a sport out of it. मतलब
Yeah.
जिंदगी में ऐसे कितने लोग होते हैं जिनको मौका
Mm.
मिलता है अलग अलग जिंदगी जीने का, so I think
Right.
being an actor, that's the greatest thing about it, is that you get to tap into different personalities and different emotions. So yeah.
Yeah. But do you have so when you tap into these psyches of all these characters that you play, do they leave traces? And how do you look at them now? Any positive change that
Yeah,
it
I
affects?
think when I trained for Dangal, because I had to be so disciplined और
Yeah.
जैसा ट्रेन करना था, आपका माइंडसेट भी एक एथलीट जैसा हो जाता है, क्योंकि
Hmm.
जो भी एक एथलीट होता है इतना फिजिकली इन्वॉल्व होता है, बियॉन्ड द पॉइंट इट्स ऑल अबाउट योर मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ, कि हर के 4-5 घंटा वर्कआउट करना है या जो भी करना, आपके स्पोर्ट में ट्रेन करना, उसके लिए एक अलग माइंडसेट चाहिए रहता है. So I'm glad that I got to get into such a disciplined life, and it was for that film. But and I think, see, whatever you go through in life, all the experiences that you experience, it leaves a certain amount of traces, be it good, be it personal, be it professional. So I think I am changing every day. I'm changing every time I do a role. So अभी subconsciously क्या पीछे छूट जाता है मुझे नहीं पता. But not that I come back home and I think about it. Maybe I should. I think that would be a great exercise to look into myself and just wonder how it's my life.
Okay, I met you. I interviewed you exactly a year ago, and probably year and 10 days ago. It's exactly around that time we're meeting again, like this. Any memories? Memories of Dubai? When did you come here first? And any memories of Dubai that you can share?
वही था, पहली दफा 1 साल पहले.
First time.
First time. So it was really interesting because I have some friends living there, and everybody talks about कि हाँ दुबई जा रहा है. ये मतलब बहुत सारे दोस्त जो दुबई तो जा चुके हैं, और मुझे कभी मौका नहीं मिला था. So it was really interesting. Unfortunately, I had to explore the city because I was there literally for 24 hours. I did interviews. I did an interview with you, and it was really lovely to meet you back then, and I'm so glad that we stayed in touch. So
yes, it was lovely to meet you too, and in your room, and we just it was, and the fact that very effortless. There is a lot of ease, and that's your personality, which is lovely. And I remember you telling me about how you do not like to go to award functions too much because of the dressing up and the whole para.
बिल्कुल. मुझे लगता है सबसे डिफिकल्ट चीज of being a public figure is getting ready. मतलब मेरा बस मैं हर जगह ऐसे ही चली जाऊँ, मतलब ऐसे थोड़ा थोड़ा कर लूँ, बस कुछ भी कर लूँ. मुझे स्ट्रेस नहीं चाहिए लाइफ में कि क्या पहनना है, क्या नहीं, कैसा लगना है. वो जो नेचुरल स्टाइल है ना, जो हम लोग निकलते हैं, जो आपका एक इनहेरेंट स्टाइल होता है, वही मेरे लिए ठीक है. गेटिंग रेडी इज वेरी स्ट्रेसफुल.
I think you've also said somewhere in one of the interviews that people shouldn't make an effort. I mean, the sense when you put too much effort in how you look, you lose the the rawness of.
Yeah, some people have that personality. They can carry anything off. They can, जैसे रणवीर सिंह, वो जो भी पहनता है बड़ा solid लगता है, मजा आता है उसे देख, क्योंकि you can feel that he is enjoying himself.
Yeah.
So, if you are that sort of a personality, it's great. But if I try to be that person, I'm not that person.
Yeah. So, and you've also said that once Sania and you have also exchanged clothes, and you've gone to places wearing each other's clothes as well. So tell me about that, because unlike a lot of stuff, I mean, abhi to theek hai, people are talking about you can repeat clothes and it's cool to repeat, and all of that is happening now. But at one point, it was like sacrilege to say, okay, why are you wearing the same thing that you wore here or there?
Actually, कुछ चीजों का idea नहीं था. Because I come from a very, well, I'm not from the film industry, so मुझे क्या सही है क्या गलत है उस चीज का कुछ समझ नहीं था. So for me, I just wanted to be myself. So I used to take Sania's clothes, I used to repeat my clothes. मुझे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता था, क्या कौन क्या बोलेगा, सेम कपड़े पहनते तो बोलने. मतलब इतना पैसा डाल के अगर आप कपड़ा खरीद रहे हो और जिंदगी एक ही दफा पहनोगे तो फायदा क्या है?
So what is your wardrobe like? What do you really buy? What do you really have? That will be interesting to know, ना?
मेरा ना ऐसे मूड के हिसाब से होता है. कभी ऐसे बोहेमियन वाइब हो जाती है हर रोज, बट मेरा वो फेज होता है. हर रोज मैं लाइक लिटरली एक या ऐसे 2-3 कपड़े होंगे तो मैं 1 महीने तक चलाऊंगी. मैं ज्यादा चेंज भी नहीं करती. यू विल सी मी वेयरिंग मतलब वो ऐसा सेट ऑफ क्लोथ्स twice a week or thrice a week, literally. So
wow. That's good. That's actually good because it helps to also burst this myth about how every time it has to be perfect, right?
अब जैसे स्टीव जॉब्स, उसका वार्डरोब सेट है, उसने ब्लैक टी शर्ट और जीन्स पहनी है, वो वही पहना.
हाँ, Steve Jobs. Okay, of course. You don't have to think.
Yeah, he doesn't have to waste time. कि वो जाएगा उठाएगा and then he think about things that he. So it's a great way to be.
Yeah, and it's a lot of time which is saved as well, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Did actually when you in your early days after before Dangal happened to you, when you were doing a lot of other stuff, did people actually tell you that you're not heroine material? And is there a heroine material at all today?
Uh, उस टाइम पे तो बोला गया था काफी दफा कि आप हीरोइन मटेरियल नहीं हो, पर हमारे दिमाग में हमेशा कौन है, कटरीना कैफ है, दीपिका पादुकोण,
Hmm.
जो इतनी खूबसूरत होती है, जो प्रियंका चोपड़ा, यू नो दे आर लाइक रियली प्रिटी ब्यूटीफुल टॉल
Hmm.
वुमेन. So
Hmm.
I did not fall in that slot, and I know that. And
Yeah.
but that has changed, and I think always had, no matter film cinema के आप कौन से era में जाते हो, but you've always had a little of more girl next door type of
Hmm.
actresses. So I think वैसी फिल्में बन रही है जहाँ पे आपको वैसे कैरेक्टर्स
Hmm.
करते हैं या वैसी एक्टर्स चाहिए रहते हैं जो मॉडल टाइप नहीं है, यू नो,
Hmm.
मॉडल टाइप
Right.
नहीं,
Right.
नॉर्मल एवरेज लुकिंग पीपल. सो
Okay.
so I think
So So did you go through a lot of introspection? Did you go through this entire feeling of rejection and how did you manage those lows?
ऑनेस्टली मतलब उस टाइम पे ऐसा नहीं था कि मुझे लगा था कि मैं कुछ बहुत बड़ी स्टार बनूंगी. मुझे सिर्फ बेसिक चीज ऑफ इंजॉइंग एक्टिंग, आई यूज्ड टू
Hmm.
रियली एंजॉय एक्टिंग. तो
Hmm.
मेरा वैसा था, एंड बिकॉज आई वाज नॉट गेटिंग एनीथिंग, तो मैंने एक चीज से मतलब ये कर लिया था कि भले ही फिल्म में ना मिले, पर ऑडिशंस में जाके एक्टिंग कर लूंगी, थोड़ी एक्टिंग कर लूंगी, कुछ भी नहीं करना, वही करना है जो मुझे पसंद है, भले ही छोटा रोल
Hmm.
होगा की फिल्म में,
Hmm.
but I will start working somewhere. So this was not the mean to earn money. So that was,
Okay.
so it's not that I was aspiring
Baggage नहीं वो
baggage नहीं.
baggage नहीं
मैं
Hmm.
सिर्फ कर रही थी जो मुझे पसंद था. मुझे ऑडिशन में जाके एक्टिंग करना अच्छा लगता था क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा था मौका मिल रहा है, नॉट बिकॉज कि
Hmm.
आई गेट सिलेक्टेड, आई वोंट गेट
I've
सिलेक्टेड.
to myself and
जब आपके वो एक्सपेक्टेशंस नहीं है, आपके डिसअपॉइंटमेंट नहीं होते. मतलब ऑफ कोर्स एस्पिरेशंस होना जरूरी है, जरूरी तो
Hmm.
है, काफी सब्जेक्टिव है, बट
Hmm.
you know it gives you a sort of goal कि हाँ मुझे लाइफ में ये करना है, and you start working. So
Yeah.
I did have that. I wanted to
Hmm.
constantly keep on acting, but I
Yeah.
to be practical. You can't be,
Yeah.
जब गुर्बत में आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. You need money
Hmm.
to, you know,
Yeah.
do things, live
Yeah.
peacefully. So
Yeah.
it's important to give uh, value to money, because it's very easy to say that money is not important, but it is very
Hmm.
important.
Right. Okay, Rishi Kapoor ji had praised you in Dangal. He said something very interesting about you growing hair and looking. He was looking forward to your next film. There's
Gee, I
a
remember his
comment.
speech. Yes, I remember.
That's it.
It was really nice and surprising, because it's not that I've met him personally ever. I had not
Hmm.
met him, and Rishi ji ka tweet dekhkar ke he's, मतलब he thinks that I'm somebody, he wants to look forward to my work, and I was really
Yeah.
surprised. And it is so big of
Yeah.
of somebody
Hmm.
who's so famous and so big, and who's comes with this great body of work. And when
Yeah.
somebody like that says something, it really motivates you, you know
Yeah.
and makes you feel important.
Yeah. How was it working with Mr. Bachchan?
It was really nice. He's when you see him, you see that in spite of being in this industry since so long, he's still so
Yeah.
passionate, he's still so excited about his work. He comes on time, he does his lines, he doesn't care how long it takes, to get a
Yeah.
take right. And
Yeah.
काफी इंस्पायरिंग होता है ऐसे लोगों को काम करते हुए देखना, because then you want to imbibe those qualities and values in your life, in your professional
Yeah.
life. So yeah.
So in your major first film, you took 2 years. There was a lot of time that you used to prepare for the role. And after that, those 2 years weren't there. There was less time, and it was a regular schedule. Was it difficult to adjust to that from from after Dangal? Because Dangal was extensive.
बट उसके बाद भी मुझे, मतलब ठग्स में भी काफी टाइम लगा शूट होने में, और प्रेप में भी काफी टाइम लगा. तो हर किस्म की फिल्में होती है, कोई कोई फिल्में होती है जिसमें प्री प्रोडक्शन में टाइम लगता है, जिसमें आपको इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ता है 1 साल या 2 साल किसी एक प्रोजेक्ट पे। और ऑनेस्टली मुझे ब्रेक मिला था ऐसी फिल्म में जो आपसे वो डिमांड करती है उतना टाइम, एंड and I'm very grateful that I got to be a part of such a great film. And even Thugs, I really enjoyed working on that film. Even everybody, it didn't work. That's a different thing. But
Yeah.
I am glad that I got to experience.
How was it working with Amir Khan the second time? Because the first time was a different experience. This is another one. So how was it this time?
It was nice. He's the same. He plays different characters, but as a human, he's a very genuine and humble guy. I think anybody who works with him will always take something out of the experience, because he's a thorough professional, and he's extremely intelligent. So it's really nice to be working with him.
And tell me about Rajkumar Rao and the film that you are working with.
बहुत ही स्वीट लड़का है. I think जो भी अच्छे एक्टर्स होते हैं उन सब में एक क्वालिटी होती है, जैसे मनोज बाजपेयी हो, राजकुमार हो, आमिर सर हो, बच्चन जी हो, ये लोग ना अपने काम को लेके बहुत पैशनेट और बहुत ही डिसिप्लिन्ड होते हैं. They don't take their work lightly, in spite of being in the industry since so long. They are still
they don't take anything for granted.
They don't take it for granted, and it's a great quality, and when you're starting into this industry, you're like, मुझे ये बनना है.
So what is your favorite Amir Khan movie?
मुझे तलाश बहुत पसंद है.
Okay.
लगान 3
and why? And also why? Why do you like those?
Talash, I really enjoyed watching. I love the music.
Yeah.
I love Rani Mukherjee. I really love enjoying. I love seeing her on screen. So
yeah, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai is one of your favorite films, I'm told.
Yeah, I love Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. तो इसीलिए मुझे तलाश काफी पसंद है. मुझे उसकी स्टोरी भी अच्छी लगी. मुझे तो काफी सही लगी थी. लगान बिकॉज जब मैंने देखी थी मुझे कुछ पता नहीं था कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ है या नहीं है हमारे देश में. And the fact that you get to see something like that and see what your country has gone through, and what the people have gone through, and it is through the medium of cinema. So I believe that cinema is a great medium to give information, to tickle your thought, and happened like, oh my god, हमारे साथ ऐसा हुआ था और लोगों को ऐसा करना पड़ा. अच्छा, ये सिचुएशन थी. So, and it is a moving story. It's a very moving story.
Yeah. Yes.
So that 3 Idiots, again, it has a message. So, you really, I think मुझे ऐसी फिल्में अच्छी लगती है जहाँ पे कुछ अच्छी बातें बोल रहे हैं, कुछ सिखा रहे हैं. You come out of the film with a thought, and you think about the film, and you think about things. So I really enjoy such films.
And tell me about the directors you've worked with till now, and what is that you have been inspired by, the work that you've done with all of them?
Nitesh sir, he is a really very sweet, passionate person, and कभी उन्होंने सेट पे चिल्लाया नहीं, कभी ऐसा नहीं फील कराया कि वो एक सुपीरियर प्लेस से आते हैं, because director has the most control on set. So it's very easy to get intimidated by him, or be scared if he'll yell at you, or upset ना हो जाए, and मुझे बस डायरेक्टर खुश चाहिए. So I think with Nitesh sir, I found a friend in him. हम लोगों ने बहुत मस्ती की है, बहुत चिल किया है. So I really enjoyed working with him. Then Anurag Basu, I love his films. I really wanted to work with him, and he's such a gem. And how talented that man is. He is constantly thinking. You never know what he's going to throw at you, and you're constantly learning, because he's see something beautiful
Magical.
comes out of it.
Spontaneity is other.
Very, and मतलब उनका दिमाग ना कॉन्स्टेंटली 10 चीजों में चलता है. वो डायलॉग्स भी लिख रहे होते हैं, वो एडिटिंग का भी सोच रहे होते हैं, वो कैमरा लेके शूट करने लग जाते हैं. तो वो ऐसे outstanding है, magical to work with him.
Okay.
Then
What is what? Yeah,
sorry,
yeah, yeah. Please continue. Yeah,
no,
yeah.
it's okay.
Continue, continue.
No, then Abhishek Sharma, Suraj Mangal
Yeah.
Bhari, even you know, go through that, and he's like, हाँ मैं तो normally ऐसे करता हूँ. So yeah.
Okay. Okay. What are you reading and watching right now? Are you reading something? Because and I know you read a lot.
हाँ,
Are you reading anything?
uh, Poor Charlie's Almanac. It's something that a friend of mine suggested.
Okay.
It is about a man who's an investor and who's really big,
Mhm.
और वॉरेन
Okay.
बुफे के साथ काम करता था. So basically ऐसे
Okay.
random, completely
What
something
kind
that
of, do you like
some,
biographies more? Last
I
time I think you said you like biographies a
I,
lot.
I do. I really enjoy biographies. Interesting होता है क्योंकि really वो चीज हुई है तो थोड़ा और ज्यादा interesting लगता है.
Any specific that you can recommend to people? Any specific biographies that they should pick up and read?
Uh, कौन सी मैंने यार there is this स्टीव जॉब्स की पढ़ी थी बायोग्राफी, मतलब किसी और ने लिखी,
Hmm.
but that I enjoy. Basically I like, life.
Hmm. Real life incidences.
Yeah. There is this book I Accuse about the riots of 1987 that happened
Okay.
in Punjab.
Okay.
So that
Okay.
was really eye-opening and very emotionally draining, because you
Okay.
read about what people went through and
Yeah.
what people go through in riots and how monstrous people get. So
Yeah.
that was very.
Okay. And the films and the web series that you'd like to recommend to people who are watching our live? Anything that you would like?
Fleabags, Fleabag, वो I
Okay.
think Amazon पे है. Mrs.
Mm-hmm.
Marvelous Amazing, वो भी
Yeah,
Amazon.
that you mentioned last time as well. Yeah.
Yeah. तो और क्या देखा मैंने अभी, शिट नाम भूल गई मैं. पाता Shashank Khaitan and Jaideep sir. So
Okay.
as of now, there are these three projects: Suraj पे मंगल भारी,
Okay.
Ludo, and this
Yeah.
short film. फिर लॉकडाउन हो गया तो शूट्स कोई शुरू नहीं हुए.
What
So
about South Indian films that you acted in?
that 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 there was only one South Indian film that I did, and it was so
Hmm.
unfortunately I had a bad experience.
Okay. So are you sentimental by nature? I believe you still keep the scooter that you used to.
Of course, I still.
Oh.
You won't believe मैं अभी मतलब अपने book. I used to write. I still write diaries. So
Yeah.
मेरे पास 8th standard से लेके अब तक के ऐसे काफी बीच बीच में छोड़ देती हूँ, but अभी तक है मेरे पास वो
Wow.
diary.
So your timeline है आपके life का.
हाँ, मेरे life का, and when I read it, like, oh God. Every age, your thought process and जैसे जब भी मैं स्कूल में थी तो कि वो मेरी फ्रेंड किसी और से बात करी, वो चीज बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट थी कि उसने मेरे से ऐसे बात किया. And then you now you like, yeah, for a 15-year-old girl, for a 12-year-old or 11-year-old girl, this is her
Yeah,
world. So
yeah, yeah.
मैं बड़े objectively देखती हूँ, subjectively नहीं देखती हूँ. So it
Hmm.
feels like that I am reading somebody else's diary because I'm not that person anymore. So
Yeah.
it's very interesting in that sense.
Do you see yourself write a film someday?
Oh, I don't think I will definitely develop films. I will definitely, there are certain films I would or things that I would want to do. So I would develop, but I don't think I have the quality and the talent. अगर आप खुशी नहीं हो, फायदा क्या है ये सब चीज का अगर आप खुशी नहीं हो? तो I think that is something that I discovered.
And bonding with your family. Tell me about what, I mean, do you cook? What do you do? Is there things that you do around the house
मैं
apart
वैसा
from?
खाना बनाती हूँ जो सिर्फ मैं खा सकती हूँ और कोई नहीं.
And वो क्या होता है? What is that? What is that food?
Porridge हो गया. इसमें भी बहुत सुकून है.
Well, it's nice to talk to you about rain because I'm sitting here in the peak of summer, and Dubai, as you know, is a desert. So rains बहुत कम होती हैं, पर होती हैं. So it was lovely speaking to you, Fatima, and
Always
let's
a
catch up
pleasure.
once you're back.
Definitely.
Let's meet up. ये तो फिर एक teaser है. Let's meet up when everything is fine. I'm hoping that you stay safe home indoors.
Thank
And
you.
let's hope that everything comes back to normal, and then we'll catch up soon in Dubai when you're here.
Yes,
Yeah?
inshallah. Lovely to
Yeah.
talk to you,
Thank
and
you.
please have a
Love to
great day.
speak. You too.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
अभी end